Hi everyone, this is Anushka. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. आपका कुछ नहीं जाना है, ठीक है? सिर्फ एक सेकंड जाना है. Just go there and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon. And if you like the video, give this video a big thumbs up. Now, without blabbering, let's just get into the video because I know you're not here to see me. You're here to see the recipes. So yeah. Okay, so for this first recipe, I saw this video on Instagram. ये मेरी recipe नहीं है, ठीक है? I saw this video on Instagram and people there were stuffing in rabdi in mango और that was a very cumbersome process. बहुत थक जाती मैं ये सब करके. So I thought of a very easy recipe. ये मेरी innovation थी. I thought of it. तो I just eliminated all the tiredness वाला काम. And I stuffed in vanilla ice cream in mango and that was so good. Like vanilla ice cream मीठी थी, mango थोड़ा सा खट्टा था and the combination was so good. So let's just watch the recipe and you'll get to know yourself if you make it. So starting off by removing the head of the mango, it's very easy honestly. The tricky part here is to take out the gutli or the gitak or the seed or whatever you may call it. You just have to take that out of this mango and make sure that you leave thoda sa mango on the edges so that you'll see आगे क्या होता है. But you have to leave थोड़ा सा mango उसके छिलके पे और उसके covering पे. And then when it's done, you have to stuff in a lot of vanilla ice cream. It's easy. You can just stuff in with a spoon or a scooper or whatever you have, and then cover it with that head that we removed earlier and freeze it for good 6-7 hours. So once that's done, take out the mango and then you just have to peel it. You can use a peeler, a knife, but honestly हमसे तो बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा था, तो इसलिए finally we used our fingers. And that is how a mango looks. And also make sure that you freeze it for good 6-7 hours because you can see how the ice cream is melting. We had to deal with this बहुत मुश्किल से. And then once that's done, you just have to cut it to pieces and look how pretty our ice cream looks. And here you have a video which I'm sure will make you drool. Yeah. Okay, so for the second recipe, last lockdown I made mango shots. So this time I thought, why to make shots? So let's just make mango dessert in a wine glass. Cool, right? Wine नहीं मिल रही, mango डाल सकते हैं. Wine डाल मैंगो डाल सकते हैं वाइन, मैंगो डाल सकते हैं वाइन ग्लास में, वो ही खा पी सकते हैं, राइट? सो अ मैंगो रेसिपी इंस्पायर्ड बाय अ वाइन ग्लास which is called mango mastani. Okay, so watch it for yourself. So in our mango mastani there are 4 layers, but you can create as many layers as you want to. Be creative with your mango dessert. So for the first layer I've used some ground biscuits. तो मैंने क्या किया, I just took some Parle-G का biscuit और मैंने उसको मिक्सी में घुमा दिया and this is how it looks. Now for the second layer I'm going to put mango custard. So what I did was, in a cup of milk I added 2 tablespoons of mango custard and give this a nice mix so that there are no lumps. Now in a pan add a cup of milk and a tablespoon of sugar. Let this come to a boil and now gradually and slowly add your mango custard wala mixture in it and keep it stirring so that there are no lumps in it, and all of this has to be done on a low flame. Our custard is ready. It's time to pour that custard in our mango mastani ka glass over the ground biscuits. Now for the third layer I am adding mango pulp. This was very easy. I just took some mangoes और मैंने उसको मिक्सी में घुमा दिया and this is how it looks. This is mango pulp but without any sugar because mango में already there's a lot of sugar. Make sure you're also leveling it because then it'll look pretty. Now once that's done, our fourth layer is vanilla ice cream. You can also add mango ice cream, but we had vanilla ice cream, so I'm adding that. And then garnish it nicely with some nuts or maybe mangoes. And here your mango mastani is ready. It was so tasty and super pretty, right? Okay, so we are here at the last recipe, which is the third recipe, and which is choco mango ice cream. For all you people who love chocolate, die-hard chocolate fans, this is for you people. So याद है McDonald's पे वो आइसक्रीम आती है थी whatever, जिसके अंदर vanilla ice cream होती है, and they dip that ice cream in chocolate, and then बाहर there's a lot of chocolate, और अंदर when you bite this vanilla ice cream, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है वो सोच के. So I just thought, मतलब what, मैंने नहीं सोचा honestly, मैंने Instagram पे देखा था. So I just thought of giving it a try, and I did that. It was so good. So watch the recipe for yourself. You'll love it, I'm sure. In a pan, take out some mango. So here I'm taking 2 slices of mango and taking out the pulp with the help of a spoon, and make sure the gas is on low flame. In it goes a tablespoon of sugar, and now mix it all together and let the mango melt. Once that's done, add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream into it, or if you don't have cream, you can also use malai. I've used malai honestly, and our mango ice cream was amazing. Let it cook for like 4-5 minutes, and then this is how it'll look. Now once that's done, you have to add the mixture in your popsicle makers. You can easily get these on Amazon or maybe a shop nearby if this lockdown ends. Now once that's done, just cover it and refrigerate it for 12 hours at least. We didn't refrigerate it enough, that is why our ice cream looks a little shabby. Now the most interesting part, melt some chocolate and put in a lot of nuts in it and dip your ice cream in it, and this is how it looked. It was so tasty and it looks super pretty, and it will satisfy all your dessert chocolate cravings. Leave it for like 2-3 seconds और फिर chocolate ऐसे जम जाएगी mango ice cream पे, and when you bite you'll have chocolate first and then you'll have mango, and it was so tasty. Okay, so let's just end the video now, and this was it. Honestly, this was too much for me because I hate cooking, और मैंने इतना सब कुछ बना लिया एक ही दिन में, which was too much for me. बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था मेरे लिए, but I did it, and honestly, if I can, you can. So get from the bed and go do something, make some mango desserts before this mango season comes to an end, and you love them. And if you try any of those, do not forget to tag me on my Instagram, that is Tasty Table Tales. I have a food page and I'm also a makeup artist, so you can follow me there as well. That's Anushka_Sethi. Now if you think this video deserves a like it, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.